when you make a lot of profit in a row, I had a 8 winning streak, and you reach your target equity where you are willing to risk a lot more. I reached that as well. So basically, today's trade, I started with a higher amount of risk, and I will break it down for you. But before that, I want to welcome you all back to my channel and my live recording session. I'm your host, Gnez-Trader, and I just want to remind you that I am not a financial advisor or anything related to that. I just post videos for educational and entertainment purposes only. With that being said, let's get into the video. So, as you can see over here, the S&P 500 started with a gap up, meaning I'm looking for short positions initially. And there was a very good chance of going short as well. As you can see over here, I'm doing an entry over here. However, that entry never triggered. Why? Because I stopped that trade before it hit my entry point, because I was having emotions and I saw Baba for, I don't know how, but I wanted to go for Baba long. And and if you watch my video, if you watch my videos, you know that I'm always looking for short initially. Not stating that I'm never going long, but going short. I'm focused on going short initially when the S&P 500 starts with a gap up. And what do? I'm going long on the stock, which is also on the last place of my best stocks. Baba is on the eighth place, or seventh in this case, because I removed Meta as well. Um, and as you can see, I've lost Baba, so $100, and I went back in again, all again for a long trade. I'm hoping to continue to go high and give it another chance. What a dumb mistake that I have made, because after that I lost $200 in just minutes. And this is what I'm trying to say. When you are risking um more more money, the money, if you think about the money, which I did, you will get a lot of emotions, and that's the reason why you lost. Because in my head, I thought, shit, I'm trading like $25 more in every trade, and I lost right now $50 because of emotions. Because I wouldn't do this if it was still on the $75, and it could have gotten bad, but I only would have lost $75 or 1 R. Now I'm losing 2 R, which is $200, and this is the funny thing. Like the $70 at some point, that was my 1%, right? And I reached a target point for my equity. So in that way, the $100 is now my 1%. So I'm actually doing the same thing in percentages, but in money, is higher. And that because I was thinking about money and not in percentages, which was actually the same, I actually lost, because due to emotions and not thinking clearly, um, uh, and not I was actually not mentally prepared to lose $100. But while that was just 1% of my total equity at that time, it was actually the same as the $75, 1%. But I saw it only in dollars, $25 more.